Baguio! Si Papa.
Engines on, the sun is high. Windows down, blue Philippine sky. North or south, we don't really care, as long as the three of us are there. Papa Carlo grabs the wheel, drives so smooth, it's such a steal. Mama says brake, slow down there. Papa laughs, we're already there. Maps, now we'll figure it out. Wrong turn, we'll laugh and reroute. Every mile becomes a story. Every trip, another memory.
Yun, pumunta kami sa Beacon Hill Park. Ay, Beacon Eco Park. Yun yung Beacon Hill. Ay, sarado pa ba? Hindi na, hindi na. Bukas na. Kasi,
Hindi ko alam. Yung taga sa mga mabili ka ano, wala ka pala.
next stop, Halsima Highway. Hafta na! Next stop, second highest. Second highest. Ganda dito sa Atok. Pero next stop. Ano next stop? Papa, saan tayo next?
Ice Days!
Yeah! Pafog sa Sakura.
Ito pa sila.
What naman? This is our setup! Wala kami nasira sa loob, kaya alala. Tinali lang namin sa tali ng window.
Ganito ka para makita yung mga sula.
Dominican Retreat House. Pinatayo bilang bahay bakasyon ng mga Dominicana sa Dominican Hills sa Baguio. Picture. So, nandito na kami sa Diplomat Hotel.
Ito na, pipicture na kita lang.
Ay, dyan lang.
Nilagyan na naman, bawal na pumasok dyan na. May bakod eh. Super na ako.
Ano yun?
Ticket ako. Ayun o, magandang view ko. Katakot lang.
Kaya nga alam eh. Dito maganda mag-picture. Pang 4, 5 Baguio ko na to. First time namin as a family. Kasama si Papa. At lagi kong gusto pumunta dito sa Diplomat. Kaso ngayon lang kami nakapunta. May bago dito sa Diplomat. Ewan ko kung kailan to. Ito, Pansigsyan Artisan Village. Esmeralda! Saan?
Bracelet.
Excuse me. Bagyo. Huwag dito. Narinig ka sa video. Narinig ka sa video, wala akong magagawa dyan. Ayun. Ako na lang magtitiket. Dito na kayo sa lilim.
So, ako na lang bumili ng ticket namin. Tapos doon na lang sila Papa, sila Carlos sa gilid. Ayan yung babayaran, entrance fee. Ayan yung updated nila as of July 2026.
Di ba ito? Naka 4-wheel drive ba ito?
4 wheels yan.
Ticket.
Ito po. Ay, may mark.
Ano, Mark?
Mark.
May ano, Mark? To?
Oo na. Wala mo. Wala mo. Siyempre.
Gusto na kayo, Andre.
Ha? Ang cute!
Si Carol lang yung ano. Pwede ko mag-
Pwede ikaw naman siya.
Sa baba, ibang ano.
Yeah!
Hindi naman ganun karami.
Meron na palang potato corner dito. Master Siomai. Silog Meals.
Yung time po namin dito nung nakaraan. Dito rin, dito rin. Dito mismo.
Yan, nasa na yung mga...
Diyan kami nag-stay. Dito banda.
Park. Every Tuesday.
Alam mo, sa abroad kayo,
Wow! Pwede ka na.
Kaya sa abroad.
What are we celebrating today? I mean, tomorrow.
It's my birthday.
And who is Esme?
My daughter.
Magbo-birthday pero bumisngit.
Patikin mo ka sa kanya yung choco butter.
The first family. Hindi. Dami na pala natin family trip.
Patikin mo sa kanya yung ano.
Umuulan. Update. Nawala yung lashes ko, tinanggal ko na. After namin sumamba, dapat mag-night market kami. Kaso, maulan. So, we're probably just going to eat. And I'm still wearing the boots. The boots! Let's go get my father, the Lolo, and why did I turn that much? Sa kabila lang. Ba't di ginawa mo pala?
Wala mo naman. Hindi. Ginawa niya ito, binigay niya sa akin. Pwede ka na. Baka mataas yun.
Uyatok na! Ngayon, pumunta kami sa Beacon Hill Park. Beacon Eco Park. Maglolo na sa likod. Ay!
Ulas. Ay, ganito lang. Ba't ginawa pitch-pitch yun?
Mamaya pagbabalik. Yan yung Beacon Hill. Ay, sarado pa ba? Hindi, 9:30 na eh.
Bukas na.
Bukas na eh. Kaso dito ata ang park sa baba. Ano? Tapos ma'am, isang English full meal.
One English for me.
Mm-mm.
And then,
Tapos,
no water. Yan. Yan. Sa likod na.
bali dalawa na ma'am nun. Para hati na lang kami ni Carlo.
And then, ano pa po, ma'am?
Yun lang pala ma'am. Okay na po yan.
Five.
May 3 daw bus dito. So this is the first bus from the entrance. And that's the booth. Yung red na yan, yun yung booth to pay for the register. And 3 kami, 1 senior. I paid $4.20. And ito siya. Ito yung first bus. Dito na kami nag-breakfast kasi yung paakyat na yan, nandyan yung ibang bus. I think this is the second bus for the other food and then sa taas pa. And that's my daughter wanting to take her clothes off because she don't like the fur.
Ayun, sarap.
Full English breakfast. Guys, huwag niyo masyado pansinin yung mga langaw dito sa Atok, banda. Kasi yung langaw dito,
Healthy.
yeah, healthy. Kaya mas healthy. Yung anak mo lang pagpagan mo. Love, pagpagan mo, ang dami.
Kailangan yan sa paglaki.
Hindi. Kasi yung mga langaw dito, kaya sila nagiging ganyan. Kasi mayroon silang tanim. Pag may tanim, may aanihin sila ang corny. Hindi. Pag may tanim daw kasi, kaya may langaw. Kasi doon, gagamit sila ng fertilizer na nakaka-attract. Tapos, gagamit pa sila ng parang lason para maalis yung langaw. Kaso, hindi sila maalis. Lumilipat lang sila. Kaya nga eh. Kasi madami na ayoko mabusog eh. English breakfast ngayon. Hindi naman nagkukutsara yung mga London.
Paano itong...
Ano to sa ano? Jigs. 3 yan. Very London yung ano.
Makain may arin to.
Wow, that is good sausage.
Naman ang peso. Ported.
Pero okay lang siya ha. Okay lang for me. Kasi mataas to.
Ay! I hate flies.
Okay. Nako.
Kaya naman makyata to. Kaya nila Ate Bessie to.
Hindi ko alam. Si Tita Bessie nahihilo na sa ano eh. Malaki pa lang. Si Ate Pat magugulat. Nasa London. Lulukoyin ko. We're in London. Tapos may puno. Sabi niya, what? No, that's not London. Where is that?
Diba may picture ako?
Ah.
Ang ganda. Sa London talaga.
Ay, wow. Sabi ko na kaya ka nanahimik eh.
May London talaga.
Oh, pakabili ko.
Diba parang ano,
Wow!
talaga.
Galing ha. Wala pang tripod yan ha.
Kala mo ha? Pwede ba kayo sa ano to?
Pwede maliit lang. Pabilit lang.
Try mo. Try mo ano?
Saka naman papa, nakapunta ka dito.
Oo naman, hindi man makapunta rito eh kung wala kayo eh. Diba?
That's why you're here.
Ako.
Alam ko hindi ka pa nakapunta ng ato ka. Saka,
Kasi,
alam mo ng
Hindi.
bagyo.
nambabayo dapat kami ni Beth kung dumating.
Oo, alam ko nga.
Kaya lang hindi niya alam itong mga to.
Eh di, sama niyo kami.
Hindi
Charot.
niya alam.
Convoy. Okay na kaya kayas mo yung ano? Butter?
Sino may birthday? Sino ng 1 year old? May amos ka pa ng ano, pork and beans.
Martin.
Sino ang birthday?
Marami na ba kayo kuha?
May bata kaming kasama. 1 year old. Medyo steep yung daan. Hindi na kami lumakit sa taas. Kasi mahirap umakyat. Yun yung registrar, yung red na yan. Blagag.
Vlogger.
Ayan siya. Dito siya sa Beacon Hill. Ayan. Actually, mahirap talaga siya. It's a struggle. Pero since mahilig naman akong mag-struggle, sinama kayong pamilya kong mag-struggle. Sige. So, ano naman sila yung followers? Sumunod naman sila sa pag-struggle. Medyo mahirap na talaga siya. Kapag meron kayong... Well, papa ko naman, senior na yan. Tapos may toddler pa. Toddler today. No, medyo mahirap sa mag-step.
Paandaan niya ba? Kapit na kaya?
Next stop, Halsima Highway. Half-time now!
Every time you light my wish, I do wanna say it's you, my babe. I won't be too late.
Yeah. Engines on, the sun is high. Windows down, blue Philippine sky. North or south, we don't really care, as long as the three of us are there. Papa Carlo grabs the wheel, drives so smooth, it's such a steal. Mama says brake, slow down there. Papa laughs, we're already there. Maps, now we'll figure it out. Wrong turn, we'll laugh and reroute. Every mile becomes a story, every trip another memory. Here we go in Black Widow, rolling down the highway, from the mountains to the beaches, making
Second highest.
driver from her imaginary throne, and little Esmeralda in her comfy car seat, our professional passenger princess looking extra sweet, waving at the people, singing every song with our little family. Every road feels like home.
Papa and me.
Coffee stop
sa atok. Grabe.
Let's take a picture.
Super ganda. Tagal yung shoes ng ano.
Not sure.
Happy birthday!
All the stars to clap.
Happy birthday!
Start tayo sa may ano.
Highest point na.
Unless there's fries or fresh sea air. We've chased sunsets by the sea, found adventures wild and free. From North Luzon to Southern Shores, there's always one more place to explore. Rain or shine, we're side by side. Every journey is the perfect ride. No matter where the highway's been, the best part is we're with our best friends. Come on, Black Widow, let's
Next stop. Ano next stop?
breathe in. Papa's got the steering wheel steady as can be. Mama's got the helpful tips, free of charge, you see. Esmeralda smiling bright, our tiny VIP. Professional passenger princess, as cute can be. North to south, the Philippines, we'll see it all someday. Our little family venture never fades away. So here's to every kilometer, every laugh, every view. To Papa, Mama, and Esmeralda too. With Black Widow leading every happy trip we take. The best destination is the memories we make.
So, Mount Olis ay baby friendly. I mean, stroller friendly. May konting stairs lang. Grabe, sobrang fog, oh. Sobrang fog. Pumasok sa mata ko. Ouch. Sobrang fog sa Mount Olis. Wala akong makita. Aside from nasisilaw ako. Wala pa! Hindi kita kita! Ay sila. Kita niyo ba? Ayan na. And I'm with my daughter. It's very foggy. We're 7,900 above sea level. Yun ang Mount Olis. Ah! Sakit. Ito lang yung challenging part. Kapag aakit na dito sa summit. Ito kasi yung 7,900 above sea level. Tapos may mga tanim. Ha? Hindi, kaya ko, don't worry. May hawakan eh. Apa. Pababa naman na eh. Dito sa Atok, huwag kayo ma-alarm pag maraming lamok. Langaw, ganun talaga kasi may farm dito eh. Pag farm kasi, yung mga pataba, fertilizer nila. Ay, nasabi ko nata kanina yun. Hayaan nyo na. Basta yun. Papa, saan tayo next?
Ice place!
Yeah! Forest.
Sakura yata tayo to. Tapos... Ano po yung kiniining? Kiniing?
Yung nandyan mo, yung...
Ito na ba?
Alam niyo ba, every time na nasa Baguio ako, every time I go here, I always buy coffee dito sa North Brew, which is nasa SM Baguio. Masarap kasi yung kape nila and mura lang. Wow!
夏の風が優しく吹く暖かい笑顔で桜の花びらのように舞い落ちる心の中でもとも柔らかい隅に落ちて
Pati yung ilaw. Lahat ng ilaw para maliwanag.
記憶の中のあなたは明るい
Oh,
海辺の
this is our setup.
波に乗って
Wala ka pinasira siya, huwag kayo mag-alala. Tinali lang namin sa tali ng
に伸びている
window. All of this, the black app. So, it's our last day and ayan, nakapack na yung tatlo, nasa baba na sila. And I'm only checking a few things para ma-make sure na okay ang lahat. But di ako nakapag-room tour. So, I'm gonna do that now. Let's go. So, kapasok kami, ganito siya. So, you open. And this is the room. Open lagi yung bintana namin kasi gusto ko ng fresh air since we're in Baguio. This is a sofa bed. Hindi na siya maayos. And I think this is a diffuser, Tapos may TV. That's my bag. Meron dito. There's Netflix. Everything is complete. That's for lamok. A table. And this is the view. Look. Oh my God. Yan yung view dito sa dining area. Sasado ko yung blinds mamaya. And this is the kitchen. It's fully equipped. May trash bags complete and everything. May electric. This is where the plates are. Tapos, basta complete. Fully working. May ganito. Tapos may microwave. And there's ref. Naku, nakalimutan ko. Meron pa pala naman. Okay, there's ref. And now the room. There's a full light mirror here. This is the CR. There's heater. It's complete set. Yan. Kompleto naman. Gusto ko lang maiwan. Dual purpose to eh. Medyo-check na din ako ng ano. This is... Naku, di ko nasara. This is the other room. This is where my dad stayed. May cabinet dito. May extra bed. Oh, that's the cot. Hindi namin nagamit, sayang. Meron curb yan eh. So, ito yung view sa room ng father ko. Wow, di ba ang ganda? And this is our room. Dito kami. I think this is only double. Pero di ako sure. So, meron dito. Ito. And the reason why dito kami, syempre kasi there's a veranda. Terrace. Balcony. My goodness, balcony. So, yan yung view. Diba ang ganda? Honestly, if I'm given a choice, I would love to live in Baguio. Kasi there's something about Baguio na hindi ko talaga let go eh. May love. I think it's because you're not rushing. Close ko na yung door. The ambience is warm. It's filled with, malamig. Kamoblema. Let's close all the doors just to be sure. That's the room. So, goodbye, RC Place. This is where we stayed pala. This is where we stayed. RC Place. They also have a place at Tagaytay. So, that's it. I'm saying goodbye to the room. And we're gonna go out na. Bye! Goodbye, the courtyard.
So, this place is super recommended by my husband. Dito daw kasi sila laging kumakain pag pupunta silang Baguio.
Pero ibang design. Ganito. Madami. Or ganito. Magkano sige?
Hindi pa. Wala namang kape dito. Ay, may...
Shredded, madam, mais. Ito po yung mais. Buset. Wala sila?
And we're in Nueva Ecija na. Truly, this 3-day Baguio family trip is something that we will always remember. Dito namin celebrate yung birthday ni Esmeralda, her first birthday, and kasama namin si Papa. In Baguio, we will always come back.